Now that we've gone through the basics of the Tails operating system and learned how to install and use it, it's time to dive into learning about Tor, the Tor browser, Tor proxy, how to use it, and why it is useful on the dark web. This video we're going to give you an introduction to Tor, just a basic overview, and then after this we're going to actually get hands-on with learning a little bit more about onion routing. So of course let's answer the big question, what is Tor? Well, Tor is best explained as a proxy and browser used for anonymous internet connection. It encrypts all the traffic you send to the internet using onion routing, and it consists of thousands of different nodes that you will connect to worldwide. And as of now, it is the best anonymity network available for people to use. That's the basic idea of Tor. If you don't understand what Tor is or how it works, I definitely suggest that you take that Deep Web 101 course. We go into a little bit more detail about what Tor is, the basics behind onion routing and onion links. Hopefully you should understand all of that, and if you do, head to the next video and we'll actually dive into onion routing and teach you a little bit more behind the scenes of how onion routing is working and why it is more secure.